Hey friends! Today we are opening the yummiest pizza shop ever! Oh no! The pizza shop is empty! Let's make pizza dough! Time to make pepperoni pizza! A giant pizza monster!
Haha! I have the magic pizza book. You'll never make a delicious pizza.
Kids, let's do the pizza freeze dance. It will freeze Pizza Monster. Dance with Pengo. But when the music stops, freeze! 3, 2, 1. Good job! Yeah, we did it! The pizza monster is frozen now! Let's make the biggest pizza ever! How many tomatoes do we need? 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys! We need 4 tomatoes. Find the cheese in 5 seconds. Cheese found! Pizza time! We need the secret ingredient. Woohoo! The tastiest pizza is ready! Quick! We need to deliver the pizza! Yay! Everyone loves our pizza! Bye, friends! See you next adventure!